We now return to TV, broken TV, how to fix PS on TV, part 2. Hello everyone, I'm Remox and Robus. Let me show you how to work on, I got brand new TV called Sansui, no, I got brand new TV called Sansui. Let me turn on TV, let me see how to work. As you can see, it works fine onto your TV. I got a new TV. I got brand new TV, so yeah. Got the YouTube. Go ahead. I gotta go. As this column. Mr. Bean. Piece of bean. Let me check it out. Let's go here. It's gonna take a while.
We've all got a lot
Let's commercial break.
Thankfully, eBay has the gifts to do the talking for you.
I'm gonna go fast forward. Okay, let's go fast forward. There we go. As you can see, it works fine. Onto TV. I got a new TV back, so yeah.
Pizza bean, they're really good.
So yeah, as you can see, it works fine on the TV. I'll get it on HD now. Get ready HD white screen, and there you go. Well, alright, well, what the heck is this? So, I gotta turn off TV.
Pizza bean.
Well, that's it for TV. Thank you for watching, and that's it. That's the ending. Bye.